Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hope you all are doing good and safe at home. Dear students, in our today's lesson, we are going to create a picture with finger painting technique. Dip your finger in the paint. Take small amount and now press your finger on the paper. Repeat the same. I'm going to make a flower with this technique. So I'm going to use a yellow color for the middle part of the flower. Use the tissue paper and clean your finger or wipe your finger before using another color. See, now dip your finger in another paint. You may make flower in any color that you like. Just press your finger around. Once again, clean your finger with the tissue paper before using another paint. Now I'm going to use the blue color. Dip your finger in the paint when you have done with the paint on your finger nicely. After cleaning my hand, I'm going to use the green color for the leaves. Take a small amount of the paint and you can draw leaves. Our picture with the finger painting technique is done. Before using the colorful markers for the branches of the flower, let the paint dry and then use the marker. Now I'm going to draw the branches. Dear students, with the finger painting technique, you can create any design, you can make any insect, or you can also draw a picture before the finger painting and enjoy this activity. Stay at home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.